Shanghai HVPAL Hardware Products Company Limited specialized in industrial applications and furniture applications for more than 15 years. The main products include drawer slides, hinges, locks, and other hardware accessories. Our main engineers worked in hardware factory for more than 25 years with rich experience in advanced production technologies. High-quality OEM and ODM also can be satisfied. The products are widely used in industrial machine, vehicle system, furniture, electrical appliances, medical equipments, dining table, and so on. Slide with load capacity from 45 kilograms to over 227 kilograms, which includes soft close slides, push-open slides, concealed slides, self-lock slides. Hinge includes soft close type and general type. Locks have tool cabinet locks and drawer cam locks. From 2009, we increased the capital for cooperation with factory to be the strategic partner with BYD and Siemens Medical. 2015 is the most important year. We expanded our traditional business to online business, cooperated with Alibaba, AliExpress, Made in China, Amazon, to explore overseas market. From then on, our customers from America, Europe, Australia, etc., all over the world. All of our products are approved by ISO 9001 and inspected by SGS. The international first-class production technology is adopted to ensure the high quality of the products. We appreciate your continued supports, and HVPAL is your best choice and most reliable suppliers and partners.